Today, we're going to talk about postdoc benefits and the open enrollment process for postdocs at Northwestern University. So what is open enrollment? Open enrollment is an annual period of time when you can make changes to your benefits coverage. Otherwise, you can only make changes when you experience a qualifying life event. We'll talk more about that in a moment. The open enrollment period for this year will be October 10th through October 21st, 2022. Changes will take place on January 1st, 2023. Examples of open enrollment changes include switching from an HMO medical plan to a PPO medical plan or vice versa. Adding a plan that you waived in the past. For example, let's say that last year you did not have vision coverage, but this year you'd like to add it. You can do so during open enrollment. You can also add dependents who were not previously on your postdoc plan. It's important to note that if you are satisfied with the plans you currently have and are not planning to make any changes, no action is necessary. Your 2022 benefits will continue into the 2023 plan year, assuming your appointment is still active. No new insurance ID cards will be mailed to you if you're keeping your current plans. Let's talk for a moment about qualifying life events. Qualifying life events allow you to make changes to your insurance outside of your period of initial eligibility, that first 31 days of your appointment, and the annual open enrollment period. Qualifying life events include, but are not limited to, marriage. You can add your new partner or spouse. Divorce. You can remove your spouse from your plan. Birth or adoption of a child. Children should be added to your plan within 31 days of their birth or adoption. Entrance into the United States. This is an important one for our international postdocs. If you have family who are joining you after you have started your appointment, please add them to your postdoc plan after they have physically arrived to the United States. That would be considered a qualifying life event. Relocation. If you are moving from one part of the country to another, it may be that you need to change plans. Loss of prior coverage. If you're currently on someone else's plan, but you lose access to that coverage, you can add the postdoc plan at that time. Please note the documented proof of the qualifying event will be required. Benefits offered through the Postdoctoral Benefit Program have not changed for plan year 2023. All plans remain the same. We have 3 medical plans offered through Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois, 1 HMO plan and 2 PPO plans, 2 dental plans offered through a company called The Guardian, 1 HMO, 1 PPO, 1 PPO vision plan offered through IMED, basic life insurance and accidental death and dismemberment coverage offered through the Standard, and short-term and long-term disability coverage offered through the Standard. So if you have reviewed your plans and you decide that you want to make a change, you will need to log into the Northwestern University My HR portal and proceed to, number 1, select the benefits tile in the My HR self-service. Number 2, select postdoctoral trainee benefit to enroll in health, dental, vision, or life insurance. Number 3, select postdoctoral trainee open enrollment elections. Number 4, begin enrollment from the center of the page. And number 5, log in as a returning user. Utilize the forgot user ID or password link if necessary. Once you've logged in and are viewing the enrollment wizard, interact with the required fields and progress through the wizard in order to switch from the HMO medical and/or dental to the PPO medical and/or dental plan or vice versa. Please note, the HMO medical and dental plans are only available to postdocs residing and accessing care in Illinois. If you are living outside of the state of Illinois, you will need to have one of the PPO plans. You may enroll any eligible dependents or waive coverage for you and/or your dependents. Please note, if you're adding a dependent to your health insurance who was not previously verified, you will need to provide documentation to prove dependency. All documents can be uploaded via the link provided in the dependency section of the enrollment process. A list of documents approved to verify dependency status can be found on the website under Dependent Verification. Once the enrollment form is complete, please confirm that you read and understood the applicable notices, then click Finish Enrollment. An electronic version of the enrollment form will be submitted to the Gallagher Benefit Services secure website for enrollment and billing purposes. Feel free to print a copy for your records. If you make a change to your coverage, you will receive an email confirming your 2023 coverage changes no later than November 15th, 2022. New ID cards, if you changed plans, will be mailed to your home directly from the insurance carriers. If no new plans have been elected, no new ID cards will be sent to you. The ones you have will continue to work. We're excited to serve you in plan year 2023. If you have any questions about open enrollment or any of the plans offered to postdocs at Northwestern University, please feel free to get a hold of us via telephone or the email address listed here. Take care and have a wonderful day.